Imagine a world where you could get money, but you didn't have to work. Pretty far out, right? Well, software engineers can live in that world too. Now, right off the bat, we want to clarify that we believe there's no such thing as true passive income. Every income source you generate for yourself requires some level of work to put in, or some form of activeness. Having said that, the beauty of passive income is that you can put in work to build something, and then eventually, you can have that thing reach a state where you put in significantly less to basically no work, and it can generate you money. We'll talk about all the different ways you could make passive income as a software engineer, and we'll give them a rating between 1 and 5 stars based on how passive it is. So something that's 1 star will require a lot of active work, especially in the beginning, compared to something that's 5 stars, which is really passive and requires almost no work at all. The first way might sound obvious, but you can use your coding skills to build software or software components. This means you can run a SaaS business by creating a web app, a downloadable desktop app, or a mobile app. Or you can build themes or plugins for platforms like WordPress and Shopify. Another option is to adopt a freemium model for browser extensions like on the Chrome Web Store. But if you don't feel comfortable charging people for your code, you can even go down the open source route and ask for donations. We're going to rate these options as 3 stars on the passive scale, because even though you might have to update your code regularly, if the product is in profit, you can hire developers to sustain the product for you, or if you're going down the open source route, you have a community of developers that are willing to write and maintain some of the code for you. The next source of passive income for software engineers is through content creation. Now, we're not going to be those guys that sit here and tell you should start a YouTube channel and start making content like a lot of other YouTubers. But we are going to tell you to leverage affiliate marketing, which is where you create content and plug someone else's products for a small commission. One really good way to achieve this is through YouTube. No, but seriously, if making video content isn't your cup of tea, you can try blogging, podcasting, or offering a newsletter. Besides getting some money through affiliate commissions, you might take on sponsors, ads, or offer your content for a monthly subscription from your readers or viewers. In terms of passiveness, we're going to rate this one at 2 stars, because in the beginning, it takes a lot of time and effort, and usually, content creation requires some form of consistent active input. However, once you've created some content and got it out there, it could potentially always bring you some decent passive income. Our final source of passive income is education. More and more people are realizing that software engineers have a pretty flexible lifestyle, which means that there's constantly more demand to get into the industry. So there's a bit of an opportunity to offer your knowledge to those who want it. You might do this in the form of coaching, but that's quite active because you have to trade your time to receive some income. So, one decent route you could go down is by offering an ebook or online course. Once you've created this course or book, you might have to update it a little as things in the industry change, but more often than not, you won't have to update it at all. So we're going to rate this option as 4 stars in terms of passiveness. As a software developer, there's a lot you can do outside of your job since you don't need any large expensive equipment. All you need is a computer and your brain. So we hope you've gotten some good ideas on how to earn some more passive income with software. Hit the like button or subscribe if you haven't. Catch you in the next one.